Images are a powerful form of communication, right? To understand a situation, data analysis, to compare, graphical representations are better. Python is an interpreted language, with a strong core functions basis, and a powerful modular aspect, which allows us to expand the language, with external modules that offer new functionalities. Modules that we import are organized in packages. A package is a structured collection of modules that have the same purpose. One example of a package is Matplotlib. Yes. So, today, we will see how to work with Matplot. Matplotlib is a Python package for 2D plotting that generates production quality graphs. It supports interactive and non-interactive plotting, and can save images in several output formats like PNG, PS, and others. See the first program. Import the main Matplotlib submodule for plotting, pyplot. Next is the plotting command. We are just giving only a list of values that represent the vertical coordinates of the points to be plotted. Matplotlib will use an implicit horizontal values list from 0 to n-1. plt.show will opens the window containing the plot image. Run the program. On the plot, we have XY values as 0 and 1, 1 and 3, 2 and 2, 3 and 4. At the bottom right, you can find the coordinates of the cursor. I'm going to modify this program, giving separate lists for X and Y. Plot both X and Y. Run. This will be the output. If it is 2 lines, declare values in x1, y1 for first line and x2, y2 for the second line. This time we can label 2 axes, using the function plt.x label as x-axis, and plt.y label as the y-axis. For adding a title for your plot, use plt.title. If you want to indicate anything regarding your graph, please use plt.legend. Here is the output. Now let's see how to mark value on a plot. My point is at x equals minus 40 and y equals 40. Plot x and y, along with some additional features like the marker, color, and outline of the marker, size, line style if any, and line width. Declare the limit for x and y. You can change the color of the marker, outline, width if needed. For a bar graph, use plt.bar function. Function to plot histogram is plt.hist. For scatter matplot, we will use plt.scatterx, y. These are the only differences you can find. That's all about today's session, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can ask me related doubts in the comment. See you in the next tutorial.